Welcome to our latest listing in Lake Jackson, Texas.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets
K Real Estate Relatives, the address for this property is 202 Majestic Oak Circle, and right now we are showing you where this property is in relation to pharmacies, coffee shops, banks, the mall, grocery stores, movie theaters, the schools, all of those things that make it convenient to live in this area. And now we are ready to present to you this walkthrough tour. Let's dive into it.
in your love.
Home doesn't need me to sell it, right? I just need to list it. It will sell itself. It's just that beautiful and well taken care of. But I do want to point out a few key components. For instance, this fridge conveys with the sale of the property, as well as the washer and dryer, which you'll see next. And this home has all ceramic tile outside of the bedrooms, which the bedrooms consist of carpet. But for all of us that have allergies, we will truly appreciate that. But check out all of the details in the molding, the crown molding, the door trim, the window molding. All of those things make this home so special. And oh my God, I cannot wait for you guys to see the ceiling in the family room and those two fans. These blinds also conveyed with the home. I just am ready for you guys to see it all. And so I'm going to shut up because I want to enjoy this video. And I want you guys to enjoy the video as well.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 No, I'm gonna fight for you. Nothing else that I
my first walkthrough of the property, I immediately found myself making this enclosed patio like my favorite space, and I can see a buyer doing the exact same thing. Early morning coffee, late night drinky drinks, whatever you want to do here, I can see someone using this area to work out, just entertaining and gathering with family and friends, whatever you want to do. It's also capped off by the fact that you'll enjoy more privacy with this 8-foot privacy fence, which does offer extra security and an extra layer of privacy. Even with this enclosed patio, you still have a lot of green space in the back and on the side, and this shed also conveys with the property, and you can use it to store anything, basically decor, holiday decor. You can put your lawn equipment in here, just whatever you want to do. But this property will not last long, I promise you that. So now we're going to take you in the air, give you eyes in the sky to where you can see what is around the property. So you have soccer fields, you have McLean Park and Lake Jackson Rec Center to the right of the property. And then off to the left, you're going to have Brazoria Mall. This property is also conveniently located and accessible to State Highway 288. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, as next week we're going to present to you a video that offers an overview of the Lake Jackson area. If you have any questions regarding this listing or any property located in any of the Houston suburbs, please feel free to reach out to us. All of our contact information is listed in the description of this video. But don't forget ever that the homegirls are always ready and willing to enable you to find your way home. Bye-bye.